Embark on a journey through time in Malacca City, where history whispers from every corner. We'll explore the heart of Malaysia's heritage, where the Stad Hui stands as a testament to Dutch colonial rule, and the vibrant Christchurch that has graced the city since 1753. Our quest is to uncover the rich tapestry of cultures that Malacca weaves together, exploring its storied past and how it shapes the present. Ascend St. Paul's Hill, following the echo of ancient footsteps to the revered St. Paul's Church. Here, amidst the whispering ruins, stands the spiritual legacy of St. Francis Xavier, once interred here before his journey to his final resting place. The panoramic view from the summit offers a breathtaking vista of the city, a perfect palette of cultural harmony. Descend to witness the Melaka Sultanate Palace Museum, a modern reconstruction of the royal Malay courts of old. Crafted entirely of wood, without the use of a single nail, it's an architectural marvel that pays homage to an era of regal splendor and intricate craftsmanship. Each landmark tells a story of conquest, faith, and survival, escalating our tour from mere sightseeing to a profound historical pilgrimage. Step through Porta de Santiago, the lone sentinel of the Famosa fortress, where echoes of Portuguese explorers linger in the air. This stoic gate is a silent witness to Malacca's strategic significance in bygone centuries. As we reach the Cheng Teng temple, the climax of our journey unfolds. This isn't just another stop, it's the heart of the tour, a symbol of endurance, harmony, and cultural convergence. Standing proudly as the oldest functioning Chinese temple in Malaysia, it's a testament to the city's rich history and its seamless blend of traditions. Imagine the countless prayers whispered within these walls, the myriad of stories etched into its ornate carvings, the generations of worshippers paying tribute to the Taoist goddess of mercy, Guanyin. Each element of this temple tells a tale of resilience, a testament to the city's harmonious blend of cultures. As the incense smoke spirals upwards, we too find ourselves elevated. This isn't just about reaching the highest point of our tour, it's about immersing ourselves in the spiritual and communal essence of Malacca. This moment, at the pinnacle of our climb, isn't just a physical ascent, it's an elevation into the spiritual and communal essence of Malacca, highlighting a shared history that binds diverse traditions. Pause for a midday indulgence at a Peranakan restaurant, where the explosive flavors of Nyonya cuisine tantalize the palate. Each dish is a burst of color and taste, emblematic of the cultural melting pot that is Malacca. As the sun wanes, our exploration transitions to the serene waters with the Malacca River cruise. Glide along the tranquil river, flanked by historic buildings and modern cafes, a serene end to an exhilarating day. As the cityscape unfurls around us, the richness of Malacca's history is juxtaposed with the tranquility of the present moment. Just as the river has witnessed centuries of change, it now bears witness to our journey through time. As we approach the pier, the aroma of local delicacies wafts through the air. We're about to partake in another of Malacca's treasures, its cuisine. The vibrant tastes of Nyonya dishes, the evening indulgence in satay kalup, they're the city's history made edible, a delicious testament to its cultural melting pot. And we leave you with the flavors of Malacca lingering on your palate and its history etched in your memory, inviting you to return or to explore further the myriad stories this city has to offer.